All right, welcome back. It is the end of demo mostly. We have taken out the porches. We have the enclosed porch that's gone. The open patio where the bathroom's gonna be is now gone. We've also, of course, demoed out the big open area. All the floor is gone. And then we have our biggest change and adjustment to design, which is gonna be the kitchen. And that is now in this corner. So we're gonna have what is a traditional kitchen. It'll be our corner kitchen. Right where I'm standing will be the stove, some cabinetry, and then on this wall, in between the two current windows, will be where your sink sits, a window on top. And if you follow down towards the middle of the room, there's a blue piece of tape. To the left of that, 6 inches will be where the refrigerator stops. So that tells you a little bit about how big your kitchen is. It's about 12 feet, a little bit over that, long on this wall. And then we'll put double French doors there. So that's most of the work that's happened. We've also ripped up all the tin that was at the bottom of the roof. As you can see, in some of the rooms, we're gonna have to replace a lot of the piers and the beams that are going on, especially in this room, which was the kitchen that is now the master bedroom. All of these will come out and we will be replacing those. So the big debate of the week is the lighting that's going in this room. And we are currently voting to see what's going to end up in the center over our bedroom. I envision 2 windows, the bed in the middle. This window will be gone, and I would love to see a chandelier, like we all know. But I think it's going to end up being a ceiling fan, it's looking like. And if that happens, I am getting my chandelier, and it'll probably happen in this room. That's not there right now. And we have a freestanding tub, so we may end up with a chandelier with a freestanding tub. So definitely a lot of demo that's happened, and hopefully this week we'll start framing out, rebuilding, and you'll see that in next week's video.